So in this Pictory review, I'll show you exactly how everything works inside Pictory. So I'm currently on a standard plan of $23 per month inside Pictory. And what I'm going to do in this video is I'll show you in a step-by-step process how you can create a video by using a script in Pictory. However, you can also use article if it is your own. Okay, you can use it to create video, or you can edit your videos, or you can do these things. Okay, but we are not going to talk about all of these complicated things for now. For now, we are going to uh, see how you can create your video with a script inside Pictory, which is extremely simple, and you will be able to decide whether Pictory is for you or not after watching this video. And if you are thinking to sign up to Pictory, then please do use the link that I have in the description of this YouTube video. I'll also put that link in the comment section of this video. Just click on it and sign up to Pictory. It will not cost you any additional money, but it will benefit me a little bit, and that will be a great help from you. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So firstly, you need to log into your Pictory account, okay? And then you need to just click on this proceed. And then you can give your video a name. So for example, I'm going to make a product review video. Okay, so I'll type alpiline review. So I'm going to create a video that is related to this product's review. Okay, so now here I need to put the script. So I already have this script. Now if you have signed up to Pictory by using my link, then what I'll do is I'll help you by making a video, okay, in which I'll show you how you can create a YouTube video script just like this, okay, without using your brain. Okay, like it is extremely simple. You can literally get a unique script to create this kind of video, okay, review video in an easy way. And I'll make a video if you have signed up to Pictory in a paid plan by using my link. Then do email me in an email address that I have given in the description of this YouTube video. Just send me an email, tell me that I have signed up to Pictory and got a paid plan by using your link. Then I will provide you a special link, okay, special video link where I have shown you how I am creating this kind of script without using my mind, and these scripts are absolutely awesome. Okay, okay, so now again let's go into our topic. So this is a script. I've given a topic. Okay, now you just need to click on this proceed. So let's click on it. Now you need to select the template. Okay, you can select any template that you want. Okay, so for this example I'll select this template. So let's click on select, and then this is going to be our aspect ratio. Okay, and then just click on continue. Now let's wait for some time so that our video is created by Pictory. Okay, wait for some time. So this may take a few minutes. Okay, so after a few minutes you will get this kind of video, and here is your script. Okay, and here is your video. And if you scroll a little bit, then here you will see different scenes that your video has. Okay, all of the scenes. Now if you think this text is not necessary for your video, okay, this kind of subtitle, then just click on this text. Okay, and then click on setting. Okay, and then turn this on hide text, and that text will vanish. And if you want to hide it from all of the scenes, okay, from here below all of the scenes, if you want to hide it, then just tick mark this, and from all of these scenes this text will be vanished. Okay, if you want to put it, then just turn it off and you're done. Okay, all text will appear again. But for now I will turn this off because I need to put some product image. Okay, and this will help me to decide where I need to put the product image. Like here is the alpiline, I can put a alpiline product at here. Okay, also I can read this sentence and decide which kind of image or video I need to put at here. Okay, so that's why this text is necessary, but later you can remove it. So now next thing you need to do is go to visuals, and then let's scroll below and go to our scene 1 and see. Okay, this is fine. Okay, so this is also fine. Just check where you need to make some edit in this video. Okay, so that you can put our image or a video in instead of this. Okay, Okay, so in Sinfo, I have found that Alpilin is here to help you finally achieve your weight loss goals. Okay, I can put a Alpilin image at here. Okay, but let's just click on this Sinfo. Okay, and then you can take some screenshots. Okay, about Alpilin. Okay, in this way, and then just click on this. Okay, in my uploads, you can upload it. Okay, from here and put this kind of image at here. So if it is not good, okay, you can change this image by clicking on another. Okay, it's your choice. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Similarly, I'll quickly check out other scenes where I can put this kind of image or other images. Okay, I'll also show you by changing the scene. So if you want to change this scene, then what you need to do is just go to this library and just type whatever text it is at here, like weight loss methods. So let's type weight loss. So let's type loss method and see whichever clips are coming at here, you can use those. So let's select, okay, so this seems cool. Let's select it for now and it will be implemented at here. In this way you can change the scenes. Okay, so now next thing you need to do is you need to go to this audio, and then music track will be automatically be applied to these scenes automatically. Okay, now it's time for you to remove this text. So just click on this text and then go to this setting and tick mark this hide text, and then just tick mark this, and all of the text will be vanished. Make sure to check on the all of the scene, so it is not vanished but it will be vanished after some time. You can see at here. Okay, so once these things are done, then just go to this voiceover and then select a audio. Okay, whichever audio you would like to put in this all of these scenes, and you can select it from at here. So it is better to use the female voiceover, so just tick mark this female and uncheck this male, and then select any voiceover that you would like, but I like the voiceover this of this Steffi, so just click on this apply, and now this voiceover will be applied to all of the scenes. Now you can simply click on this preview in order to watch all of the edit that you have done till now. Before before exporting the video, you need to watch this preview. Okay, so that you can be fully confirmed that everything is right. Just click on that preview, and after some time you will be able to watch the video preview. Now the preview is ready. Okay, so the preview is ready. You can click on here and watch this preview. Okay, and if you think everything is good, then you can export this video and upload it in YouTube or wherever you would like to. Okay, so for now let's cross it. Okay, so now let's click on this generate, and it will take few minutes to generate your video, and you can see the total timing of this video would be 2 minutes 18 seconds. Once the video is generated, then you can just click on this download button and your video will be downloaded. It is of 20 MB. I'll show you this exact video. So let's click on this video now. Now you can play and watch this video. I have turned off this sound, okay, so that this video, my sound will not be vanished. That's why I have turned off that sound. But in this way, your video is ready. Okay, you can watch it and then you can put it wherever you want to put it. I hope this review was helpful for you to decide whether you need to use Pictory or not. And if you think this video was helpful for you, then please do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.